This is the Armada. The Green Turtle Lagoon is packed with beautiful boats. It's a big boat parade for the holiday. Got catamarans. What's up, guys? You guys in shape for tomorrow? It's gonna be rough. Practice. Oh yeah, we're gonna push you tomorrow. The season starts in the fall, so this is real time now.
I thought the kids' term was tomorrow.
Yours, guys, Friday?
Yeah.
Okay.
4 to 6.
Yeah, that's it. All right.
Michael started today and tell me.
You were separated out. Yeah, give you guys more time with the big boys. So what's all the boats, man? Is a boat parade or something coming up? A boat parade?
Yeah, we got a big party.
Oh yeah? Where? What's it at?
Fiddle Key.
Green Turtle Key?
Fiddle Key.
Oh, Fiddle Key. Okay, I see. Oh, what's called the Stranded something party or something like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what's that? What's that over there? That noise, that music. What's that from?
That's pineapples.
Oh, pineapples. Okay. These are my ball players. All right. It's gonna be jumping this weekend, huh?